In this review, we're going to be going over the VEVOR 1¼ inch button maker, which has all sorts of neat little features and functionalities, so that way you can make promotional buttons for your business, which are good giveaways, but we're going to be getting into that. So on that note, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification icon for all of our newest videos. Let's get to making some buttons. It's going to be pretty cool. All right, so let's go over what it comes with. So we have our machine itself. This is actually what does all the heavy lifting. Put the handle right in there. Then we have our handle over here, our base plate over here, the actual die press right here. These are the tools for it. So as you can see, this isn't exactly like a hard to put together project. Manual. Also comes with a circle cutter too. If you're using like a Cricut or something, you really don't need this, but it's pretty cool they include it because a lot of people are going to want to use this. It has all these different little images in it and stuff like that. You can use that little cutter for that purpose. This is actually kind of neat. They also include the plastic coverings for the front of the button, some papers. I'm not entirely sure what that is, but we'll get into that as we go along. And then we of course have our button tops and button backs, and they give you the plastic and the metal button backs, so you can kind of do whichever one you want. And that's pretty much the machine in a nutshell. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this thing together. Okay, so we went ahead and got the machine all set up here and everything. What we're going to do here at this point is show you what we came up with. We got a few of these already made here just to make sure we understood how it works, because we don't want to explain it to you if it's wrong, right? So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and load our left side, which on your screen might look like right, I'm not sure. So we're going to go and put in one of these little caps first. Just drop that right in there. There's actually a little ridge there for that. Then in this case, our cardstock that we used was a little on the thin side, so we're going to use two of these little guys that come in the package, just like little paper inserts. And then we're going to use one of our awesome Woodwork Therapy pin tops. Just get that in there like that. And then after you get that pretty well centered, then we'll take one of the plastics that's also included in the package. Just drop that right in there. These are a little staticky, so they will kind of connect. Then I'm going to push this over here, and then we're going to drop in our pin back, which we're going to do the wavy side in and the pin side down. So basically it kind of looks like that. All right. And I'm going to do my best to do this at an angle, which is going to be kind of weird. So I'm actually going to move this over here just a little bit for my beautiful assistant to hold on to. All right, here we go. Let's give that a good press and come back down here. All right, and that should do it. So then when we're done, you get something that looks like this. So there we go. Nice little pin there, and you can throw that out as little promotional items or whatever it is you're looking for. So as you can see, not too complicated. So there you go. So we're going to make a few more for the kids. We've got a unicorn that we've made so far, and and we also did some with the metal backs as well. So this one's got the metal back on it. And then we're just going to do a few more pins and kind of go from there. So lots of fun. All right, so I hope you liked our little review over the VEVOR button making machine. We really enjoyed it too. We had a lot of fun with this. We made a ton of different little buttons off from it, from all sorts of stuff that we were able to make inside of the Cricut design system, or otherwise. So needless to say, solid machine, and made really good solid buttons to go with it. Now, they do have more than just the 1 1/4 size button maker. They do have larger 2 and 3 inch ones, which if you're looking for something that stands out a little bit more, that would probably be the way to go. And we'll leave links to those down there as well. But we'll definitely leave a link down to this little guy because these little buttons are kind of fun. They're super cheap to get, like tons of them if you need replacements. But as you can see in the video, obviously they send a ton of them with you, and that actually works out really good. So I hope that kind of answers any questions on there. If you guys do have more questions, please feel free to leave comments down in the comment section down below. Ask any questions you have about it. I think we covered everything, but if not, definitely do that. Otherwise, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell notification icon for all of our newest videos. In the meantime, stay safe in the shop.